part है ये.
This is IPPD and it is coming from our generator side. It is B phase. We are right now in B phase. This is our breaker chamber and the media of arc quenching is used here is our SF6 gas. And downside, this is earth switch and a shaft will come outside and it will make it directly grounded. So this is the earth switch mechanism. And
This is PRB and this is capacitor bank.
and further this arrangement, this whole assembly is for cooling of this breaker chamber and conductor part. So this oil is coming from the radiator. Basically hydrocarbon oil is inside this system.
तो उससे मुझे आप वीडियो कॉल करके दिखा देना.
These are two PTs and this is the lighting arrestor. This is the isolator chamber where we are working right now. And now we are opening this isolator manually.
जैसे मोटर जो है ना आपका ओल्ड टाइप का लगा हुआ है.
This is the corona ring.
मैसी मोटर में कुछ इशू आ गया मेरे ख्याल से, तभी इतना प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. वो कैंसिल मोटर थोड़ा टक्कर को कंपनसेट कर लेता है. ये तो होता है फिर दिन में बढ़ेगा.
Now you can see that isolator has been opened right now. This is the female part and this is the male part and how it is opening. And these are the heat sinks over the isolator. And there are two supports just below the breaker and generator side female part of isolator drum. The isolator of GT side earth switch is there. Before isolator, there are 4 support insulators installed just beneath the isolator drum, and this is an assembly of IPPD B phase which is coming from our generator transformer, and this is the whole mechanism how the isolator is working. You can see this shaft rotates and it actuates the isolator motion. And this is a peculiar item. Actually, it is for infrared temperature monitoring system and sensors. These are the finger contacts, and recently we have changed these from spare one.
Use of these capacitors also you can explain. ठीक, चल रहे. Thank you.